The Anyocha Association Houston, Texas Delta State Community Give Back Initiative, Ogwashuku Literacy Project Books of Possibility, October 2025. As part of the Delta State Community Give Back Initiative, led by the Anyocha Oshimili Association Houston, Texas, each town within the association chose a project back home. This October, the Ogwashuku indigents within the association led a meaningful literacy outreach dedicated to nurturing the dreams of the children in Ogwashuku, Delta State, Nigeria. The Book of Possibility donation, they visited the following schools: the Ogoma Primary School, the Obiezekwe Primary School Ogwashuku, the Nnabua Primary School Ogwashuku, and Ninshi Primary School Ogwashuku, and Nweze Primary School Ogwashuku. And with excitement, the pupils and the teachers expressed their appreciation.
In fact, we really appreciate you people. God will bless you and bless you abundantly. We are very grateful.
Thank you, and may God bless you and your entourage.
Thank you, kind guests. I pray that God will
Every book carried a heartfelt declaration from diaspora. We believe in you. The Ogwashuku community chose books because they recognize that many of their children faces barriers to accessing essential learning materials. By focusing on literacy, they are empowering children with imagination, curiosity, and hope, strengthening their education foundation for a brighter future. While other towns executed impactful projects tailored to their own communities, the Ogwashuku proudly invested in education, planting seeds that will grow for a lifetime. The joy and excitement from both the teachers and children from each school was breathtaking. We hope to do more as our heart remains rooted in Ogwashuku. These books are promises that every child potential will be seen, supported, and celebrated. Follow us on IG at Anyocha_Oshimili. Let's build this online village together.